Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about various sectors where PMP certified project managers are highly in demand. Though there are other qualities associated should be there, but yes, PMP certification definitely help you to get your CV selected. Which are the sectors which are highly in demand? Let me just take few statistic on based on 2014 figures. Only 2.5% companies completes 100% of the project. Alarming situation. 27% is average cost overrun. 57% fails bad communication, poor communication. 39% fails bad planning or bad resource planning. $1 billion invested, 122 million wasted. So this is big value. Greater than 34% lacks proper baseline. So in overall 57% bad communication, that means poor communication remains a cause of concern. 77% high performing organization want qualified PM. That's what I was telling you, why qualified PMs are highly in demand. 77%. 40% low performing organization want qualified PM. That's why they are low performing. We should not forget this quotation by globally 90% senior executive thinks project management is key to delivering successful results. Okay, so failure rate 50%, budget greater than $1 million. So failure rate of all the projects having budget greater than $1 million is 50% success rate, and failure rate is higher when the budget is less than 350,000. Approximate 50% PMO closes within 3 years. Another alarming situation. If there is no PMO, no effective PMO, it is difficult for project management practice to grow and continue in any organization. 80% of PMs are not aware to align the project with organization business strategy. Okay, and these some of the concerns are definitely addressed when you call someone qualified project manager. So now let me tell you the sectors where the need for qualified PMs are existing. Construction, especially in Middle East sectors and Asian countries, construction is booming large. So you find many demand of huge demand of qualified project managers. Information technology, as always. Healthcare, engineering, healthcare. Because of the increasing health issues in the world, there are many projects like clinical trial or something as growing up. Apart from that, many other projects are running in healthcare sector, which is really required the qualified project managers. Engineering, due to manufacturing, due to engineering sectors is growing up, especially in Asian countries or maybe some African countries. So it is increasing the demand for qualified project managers in engineering sector. Financial services. Many people they have requirement of multiple qualified project managers, and especially in European and United States. Energy sector, coming up sector. This is new sector I would say, especially for third world countries where energy sector is really coming up just to meet the deficiency of electricity. So you will find huge demand here as well. And above all, government sectors are coming up, and they are asking for, now I'm telling you the latest report, they are asking for the qualified project managers to run their projects. And since they have started taking consultancy from qualified managers, project managers, the success rate has increased. Thank you, friend. This was just small information. Maybe it will help you to define your career. Subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.